Okay guys, so today we're going to make some maple syrup roasted chickpeas. Okay, so here I have my chickpeas that I already rinsed out. This is from the tin. Okay, so to this I'm going to add some sea salt. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of sea salt to this. Okay, so I have some sea salt. Then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I'm going to drizzle some maple syrup. Right. Let's just mix everything together. Then we're going to put it in our sheet pan and put it in the oven to roast until we get our desired texture. So let me just get my sheet pan. All right, so I'm just going to put my chickpeas here. And we're going to roast this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until, like I said, you roast it to your preference texture.